Well, awesome. So thank you so much for sharing that information with our audience, Micah. So with that being said, with Memberium, it's not enough anymore that companies can just offer a fantastic product or service. Nowadays, people are looking for companies that they can believe in, that maybe have common shared values that are going to be here to last the long haul. And so with that being said, Micah, would you mind sharing what some of your core values are at Memberium?
Yeah, I'd love to. So we actually went through a period of time where we were trying to really decide on this once and for all. We're a fairly new company. And we looked at, okay, we have a piece of software. Are we a software company? Or it works with this one platform? Are we a company that works with only that one platform? We actually decided that we're a membership company. And so our company purpose, the way we stated, is to empower leaders globally to connect with their tribe, or in other words, their audience. So just kind of empower them through tools, through training, through everything we've got to connect with their tribe. And then some of our core values, and I've got mine on the wall here, so I might have to look over at them. But the first one is easier is better. So we're always trying to make software easier to use. We're always trying to make even the membership experience when people go through training, make that easier and more enjoyable. Because we're just trying to give people a good product, basically, right? So the first one is easier is better, and I don't know if you want to go through all of them, but we measure our success by our community success, and that is our community of customers, our community of partners, the other software companies around us. We basically feel like it's a kind of an integrated atmosphere, and so we measure our success by everyone's success. Because when they do better, so do we. Next, produce together to make things better, and the real key word there is together, meaning that there's a whole team behind it. I do as much as I can, but really on any given team, there's people who do a lot more than I do in a given area and for the company, so it's definitely a team effort. Next, optimize experiences. This comes down to, again, we like to make things easier. We also like to optimize them, so we can also eliminate steps, make things more detailed in their instructions, especially with the software as an example, and with our membership site, optimizing it with analytics, seeing how many people are finishing which courses and sending them stuff to help them finish up. So we do kind of implement this stuff all the time, but we're always also working on it. Next is work and learn with passion. And one of the key words there is the learning. So we have to work, obviously, but we're a company that focuses on learning. And I'll go off on a tangent for just 1 second and say I came into a call with somebody on the team who was telling someone else on the team that they were hired because we weren't looking for the smartest people. And I thought that doesn't sound good. I came into the call at the wrong time. But basically, they were having a conversation. They went on to say, we hire the people who can learn the fastest because most of this you can pick up, and most of it nobody knows already. So next, we embrace partnerships. That's evidenced by the fact that we give free licenses to all Infusionsoft certified partners, Infusionsoft employees. As we go into new markets, we'll do the same thing. So we want them to use our software and to talk to us and to basically be in connection with us, whether they're getting paid or not, especially with partnerships. So we love partnering. Next is respect for everyone. And that just means that obviously with customers, with partners, and all of our business dealings, but also within the business with all of our team. So that's kind of our core values. Together, they all, if you spell them down, spell the word empower. So this kind of reinforces that what we're trying to do. And there's a lot of choices, a lot of small choices we make with that in mind already. So it's kind of fun.